Pick any username, yours, a friend's, anyone's, just the handle, the @name they use online. With the right tool, that single username can be run across 3,000 websites in about a minute, and it'll come back with every profile that person has, photos they've posted, bios they've written, locations they've tagged, and links to other accounts they probably forgot even existed. One username, their entire digital footprint. I found the social media OSINT tools that actually do this in 2026, not the dead ones from old tutorials, the ones that genuinely still work right now. 6 of them. Let's go. Disclaimer: this video is educational social media, OSINT, for ethical hacking, security research, investigations, and understanding your own digital exposure. Use these tools on yourself, on accounts you own, or with proper authorization. Using them to stalk, harass, or track someone without consent isn't a gray area. It's illegal. Full stop. Second, this video is not sponsored. Tool 1 is Sherlock, and I have to start here because Sherlock is the tool that basically defined this entire category. If you've ever seen a single social media OSINT video, you've probably seen this name. But there's a reason it's still relevant in 2026 and didn't go the way of the dead tools. It's maintained, it's fast, and it just works. Sherlock is an open-source command line tool that takes a username and searches for it across hundreds of social networks, currently around 400+ platforms, and returns direct links to every account it finds. You type one command with a username, and within seconds, you're looking at a list of confirmed profiles across Instagram, Reddit, GitHub, Twitter/X, Pinterest, and many more. What keeps Sherlock at the top is its reliability. It's mature, it's widely packaged. You can install it through pip, Docker, Homebrew, almost anything, and it has very low false positive rates, which matters enormously. Tool 2 is Maigret, and if Sherlock is the foundation, Maigret is what happens when someone takes that foundation and builds an entire intelligence platform on top of it. This is the one that made me sit up the first time I ran it. Maigret started as a fork of Sherlock, but it has evolved into something far more powerful. The headline number. It checks a username across more than 3,000 sites. That's the figure from the hook. But the site count isn't even the most impressive part. Here's what genuinely sets Maigret apart. It doesn't just find accounts, it parses them. When Maigret finds a profile, it extracts the available information from that page. The person's full name, their bio, their avatar, their location, and critically, links to their other accounts. And then it does something clever. It takes those newly discovered usernames and IDs and runs the search again automatically, a recursive search. So you start with one username, and Maigret might discover a second handle on one of the profiles, then go investigate that one too, expanding the picture on its own. And it gets better. Maigret needs no API keys, no accounts, no rate limit headaches. It works purely through smart web scraping. It can filter by tags, search only social sites, or only coding platforms, or only sites from a specific country. Tool 3 is Blackbird, and this one earns its place on a 2026 list specifically because of a feature the older tools simply don't have. It brought AI into the username game, and it actually did it well. Blackbird is an OSINT tool that searches for accounts by both username and email address across more than 600 platforms. So right away, it's doing something the first two don't. It handles email as a search input, not just usernames. You give it an email, it finds the accounts tied to that email. You give it a username, it finds profiles across hundreds of sites. 2 search modes in one tool. But here's the standout feature. Blackbird integrates an AI engine that analyzes the sites where a username or email is found and returns a behavioral and technical profile of the person automatically. Instead of you manually looking at 30 profiles and trying to piece together what kind of person this is, what they're into, what their patterns are, the AI reads the findings and gives you a structured summary. And to be clear and fair, because that's the deal, it does this responsibly. No sensitive data gets shared, only the site names are sent for analysis. It's also built on solid foundations. Blackbird leverages the community-driven What's My Name project, the same trusted dataset many serious tools rely on, which keeps its false positive rate low and its results high quality. Add to that smart filters and polished PDF and CSV exports, and you've got a tool that takes you from raw username to a finished, professional report in one automated run. Tool 4 is Social Analyzer, and this one stands out because it approaches the whole problem with a level of accuracy engineering that most username tools don't even attempt. Here's the issue every social media OSINT tool fights: false positives. When you search a username across hundreds of sites, how do you know a match is real? Maybe the username exists on that platform but belongs to a different person. Maybe the page loaded, but the account doesn't actually exist. A tool that floods you with fake matches wastes hours of your time chasing ghosts. Social Analyzer by QuickBox tackles this with multiple detection techniques layered together. It doesn't just check if a profile page loads. It analyzes the page using several different methods to calculate a confidence rating for each match. It looks at profile content. It can analyze names. And it assigns a rating so you know how likely each result is to be genuine. That confidence scoring is the difference between a list of maybes and a list you can actually act on. Tool 5 is Nexfill, and I'm including this one because it solves a very specific frustration: speed. Some of the bigger tools, when they're checking thousands of sites, take their time. Nexfill is built to be fast. Nexfill is an OSINT tool that finds profiles by username across almost all social network sites. And its entire design philosophy is efficiency. It uses optimized requests to check a large number of platforms quickly and return accurate results without the long wait. For situations where you need a fast answer, a quick check of where a username exists before you commit to a deeper investigation with Maigret or Social Analyzer, Nexfill is the tool you reach for first. Here's how this fits into a real workflow, because this is the part that matters. Experienced OSINT researchers don't use one tool. They use the right tool at the right stage. You start with something fast, like Nexfill or Sherlock, to get a quick map of where a username exists. Then, once you've confirmed there's something worth digging into, you bring in the heavy tools. And we close with Seekr. And I saved this one for last because while everything else on this list does the finding, Seekr solves the problem that hits you the moment you get serious about OSINT. What do you actually do with all this information once you've found it? Seekr is described as a multi-purpose, all-in-one toolkit for gathering and managing OSINT data, and it comes with a clean, web-based interface. That word, managing, is the key, because here's what happens when you run Sherlock, then Maigret, then Blackbird on a target. You end up with a flood of data: profiles, links, names, locations, screenshots, notes, scattered across terminal outputs and export files. Without a system to organize it, that intelligence becomes a mess almost immediately. Seekr brings it together. It includes username checking, so it does the finding too. But its real strength is that it combines that with note-taking and data management in one neat interface. 6 tools, all free, all on GitHub, and every one of them confirmed working in 2026. Not the dead projects from old tutorials, the ones that actually still deliver. If you want full setup walkthroughs for any of these, real demos, command breakdowns, complete workflows, drop the name in the comments. I'm already working on what's next. Stay sharp.